Is your house showing signs of sinking or a settlement? Are you starting to see cracks in your brick or concrete? If so, you'll want to stay tuned. We might just have the solution for you. Hi, I'm Lana, technical specialist at GoliathTech. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels for more interesting tips and tidbits. Signs that your house may be sinking could be cracks around your basement windows, cracks in your brick, cracks in the drywall, your floor doesn't seem to be level anymore, or even water infiltration might be a sign. The first step after you might suspect that your house is settling is to try to locate the house plans. The structural engineer that will be working with you will need these to determine pile placement and loads. Once you have your plans with loads in hand, you can contact your local GoliathTech installer. He'll then begin the process of excavating around your foundation all the way to the footing in the areas where the piles will need to be installed. Once the footing is exposed, he'll prepare it to receive our underpinning bracket. The GoliathTech helical piles will then be installed as per the engineered drawing, and the bracket will be secured under the foundation's footing. The installer then tensions the bracket with a hydraulic jack to make sure the footing is fully supported. The last step is to fill the areas that were dug out and call the landscaper. Perfect opportunity for some new flowers. Please keep in mind that the main purpose of the underpinning is to make sure that there are no further settlement issues. Although jacking can sometimes be an option, there are many risks that are associated with it. What's the cost of underpinning a foundation? Pricing for underpinning will depend on the total area needing to be supported, the condition of the soil, the size of your home, and how much it has settled. So don't wait. The longer you wait after seeing those first signs, the more expensive it'll get. So if you think your home may be showing signs of sinking and settling, think of us. We'd love to help. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.